So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make millions of coins easily in FIFA Mobile. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. In this video we're going to talk about the division rivals. As you can see, division rivals are going to be updated in about 7 days. So in a week, these division rivals head-to-head as well as versus attack in manager mode are going to be updated, and you're going to get a lot of rewards. It depends on where you finish, of course, and you're going to get a lot of coins from that as well. Last month, I believe we got an update where instead of normal players, instead of base players, we were getting team of the week players from division rivals, from versus attack, head-to-head, and as well as from manager mode. But now it got changed once again, and you are actually getting a player of the month player, as you can see. So if you finish in legendary and FIFA champion, you're gonna get a 108 overall player. But if you finish in FIFA champion 1, FIFA champion 2, and FIFA champion 3, you can actually get, with that you can get 3,000 training transfer items and 8 million coins. So if you go ahead and finish in FIFA champion, in versus attack, in head-to-head, and in manager mode, you're gonna be making a lot of coins. As I said, from versus attack you're gonna get 8 million coins, from head-to-head you're gonna get 8 million coins, and from manager mode you're also gonna get 8 million coins if you go ahead and reach FIFA champion, of course. But if you reach legendary 1, legendary 2, or legendary 3, you're still gonna get 4 million coins, plus obviously 108 overall card. So that's just very easy coins for you. As well as obviously you're gonna get player of the month player, and if those player of the month players are tradable, you're gonna be making a lot more coins as well. You can go and sell those cards and hopefully make a lot more coins. As well as with that, when you go out and play a match in versus attack, head-to-head, and manager mode, you're gonna be getting challenger tokens. With these challenger tokens you can even get a lot more coins, of course. You can go and open packs and get more coins, not only by playing matches though, but at the end of the season you're also gonna get challenger tokens. As you can see, from versus attack and head-to-head you're gonna get 1,000 challenger tokens if you finish FIFA champion 1. You're gonna get 950 if you finish FIFA champion 2, and in FIFA champion 3 you're gonna get 900. In legendary 1 you're gonna get 25, where I am right now. I'm gonna try to reach FIFA champion, of course, in versus attack and in head-to-head if I have time for that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do that to get that 108 overall player of the month player, as well as 8 million coins and 3,000 training transfer items. That's gonna be good. With those challenger tokens though, you can go ahead and open packs. I'm gonna show you where you can open those packs. In division rivals, as you can see, you can open this pack if you want to get another 108 overall player of the month player, even though I wouldn't really suggest you to do that. You can open this pack for 1,500 challenger tokens. You can get 108 plus overall player pack, 108, 109, or 110 overall player is the one that you're gonna get. It's a bit risky because most likely you're not gonna pack somebody that is really that expensive. We also got this one as well. Obviously these rewards have been refreshed as well, have been updated. These are a lot better than what we had last month. But yeah, for 4,000 challenger tokens you can get 111 overall player as well, and for 10,000 challenger tokens you can also get 112 overall player. These are the main ones. If you want to open this one, I think that's not a bad idea to open this pack for 111 overall player. But if you want to get guaranteed coins, if you don't want to take risks and get guaranteed coins, you can also do that as well. You can go ahead and get 1 million coins for 100 challenger tokens, as you can see, and you can do this 30 times, which means you will be able to get 30 million coins if you got 3,000 challenger tokens. For example, I opened this pack for 1.5k challenger tokens, and I got someone who is worth like 4 million coins, if that. So with those amounts of challenger tokens, I would have been getting 15 million coins instead of that player that is worth 4 million coins. So if you don't want to take a risk and get straight coins, you can do that as well if you need coins, of course. That's another way you can go and make coins. This is another decent one as well. If you want to, not a decent one, I wouldn't really suggest you to do that as well. But for 300 challenger tokens, you can open this pack, where you got a chance to pack 102 plus overall team of the week player and 108 overall player of the month players. But it's gonna be hard for you to pack 108 overall player of the month. Only 1% chance, as you can see. Wouldn't suggest you to open that one as well. I think this is a very good way to spend your challenger tokens. If you need training transfer items, then this one as well. And obviously the packs are quite good. If you're wondering what this pack is about, you can get 113 overall player for 3 winner trophy tokens. And if you're asking how you can get those winner trophy tokens, basically if you finish in FIFA champion 1 in versus attack, as well as in FIFA champion 1 in head-to-head, as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to get winner trophy token, and obviously in the manager mode as well. If you finish in FIFA champion, you're also gonna get that winner trophy token. So in one season you can pretty much open that 113 overall pack, but you need to reach FIFA champion 1 in versus attack and head to head, as well as FIFA champion in manager mode as well. So it's gonna be quite tough. But it is definitely doable. Let me know down in the comment section though where you are in division rivals, in versus attack, in head to head, and in manager mode. I haven't played versus attack for quite a while, as you can see right here, so I need to push for it to go to FIFA champion, as well as head to head. I mean, I have played a couple of head to head matches, I guess. Only 7 wins in this season. I haven't really played that many, maybe like 10 to 15 games. No, not really great for me. And I haven't played manager mode, I think, since it came out. Like when manager mode came out, I played it for like 3 or 4 days or maybe a week, and after that I didn't even touch this, because I don't like this type of gameplay. I can't lie. When I can't control a player, can't control players, and I'm just managing, I don't really like those type of games. But that's just me. If you want to get as much rewards as possible, you need to go out and reach the top in versus attack head to head, and obviously in manager mode as well. Now let me go ahead and claim some of the rewards that I can claim. 100 plus overall team on the season player pack. Are we gonna pack somebody good? Probably not, because it's not a walkout. Let's see who it is though. It is a 104 overall Aitor. I packed this guy a couple of times already, so it's not a great one, but whatever, I'll take that. Can I claim any link in here? I mean, I can open this pack, and I've got a chance to pack 109 overall Morata, even though I already got him in my team. We did get 500 gems. I'll take 500 gems. I'll definitely take 500 gems. Team of the season icons. I can't do anything there. Maybe I can open a pack from here. I mean, I will be able to open that pack, but it's not really that exciting, is it, to open that 250 point pack? Because I'm only gonna pack 106 overall. I'm still gonna do it though. That's the I can't do anything else with La Liga points right now. So let's open that pack and let's see which player we're gonna pack. We're guaranteed to get a 106 overall. It's gonna be Breel Embolo. I know him from the World Cup. Obviously, he has been quite popular in a couple of World Cups. Now let's go ahead and check out Ederson's price as well, because I'm interested. Ederson is still going up in price. That's good. That's very, very nice for me. Champions League match is obviously getting closer and closer, the Champions League final. And if Ederson goes ahead and wins that match, if Man City win it, then Ederson is gonna get 112 overall card. It's gonna be updated and probably gonna go up in price. So yeah, I'm very, very happy that I didn't sell Ederson when he was like 60 mil or so. I'm really happy about that. Anyways, this is gonna be the end for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.